Hi Professor, my name is Nikki Duong and this is my video to reflect about this class. For my submath cards, I always spend 1 hour to study my first card, my new deck. I usually divide the deck into like uh, 5 groups. Each group would like the same topics or the same key terms, and then I will spend time to study each group first, and then after that I combine everything. So before every day before I run my deck of cards, I will spend like 15 minutes to go over it without a timer. So kind of like I still like answer the flashcard, but then without a timer. And then if I have any cards that I have difficult time to remember, I will try to go over it again. And then after that, I will run the trials. So I for the ASO acquisition chart, I always run at least 5. I know like the requirement is like 5 times a day, but I always try like at least 5 or until I feel like satisfied with my progress. And for any diesel cars, I will put them back and run again so I can study again. And I also spend like a 10 minutes break at work to like just go over the car, not like with a timer, but then just read the definition and try to think of the answer, and just like that, to like keep my mind fresh. Um, Beside that, I also I didn't make any adjustments because my techniques, I've been using this technique for the last 3 classes, and it has been proven very effective because I always meet my goal. 14 ASO, 0 DSO, and as the more I study up the deck of cards, I will get higher, like 15 or 16 sometimes. Yeah, but for my fluency cards, I try to keep it stable at 14 ASO and 0 DSO. I don't want to stress my mind too much, because every time I stress out too much, I start to like forget the terms or kind of mess up. So yeah, that's how I study my deck of card, my submath. And about our class for supervision and management, I really appreciate this class, enjoy the class a lot, especially the book that we have, the supervisor handbook. I have learned a lot from that by just reading the book, and I realized a lot of things from there, from the book, is also what I have keep in mind during my works. That even though I'm not a supervisor yet, but I'm a trainer now. I'm a BT, behavior therapist level 2 in my companies. Me and I train other behavior therapists. We use exactly the behavior skill training, and I can see that the trainees, we have a whole week to train that person, and their progress from the first day to the 5th day of the training is a lot. And they also tell me that this, the way I train them, they really like it, like, because I always, the first day I let them overlap and observe what I'm doing and also explain. Then the second day I start to let them hand on a little bit using my tablet, data collecting. So yeah, so it was like that. The first day also like introduction, what we're doing every day. Second day, modeling, and then also give them a chance to practice and then feedback. So every day I go through those 4 steps: introduction, why we're doing what we're doing, and modeling, and let them practice, rehearsal, and give them feedback, and keep doing it again, like every day until their few exam. So I didn't realize that until now that I studied this class, that behavior skill training, like actually in our daily life, like how we learn our new skill, how we learn a new recipes to cook, how I show my kid how to do chores, work around the house. So yeah, I really, really like surprised now that we've been using it for like so many things, but like just now that I know about it, like the name, the terms, and learn about it. Um, yeah, but I really appreciate this class. A lot of things that I've learned from this class that I will keep in mind for my future journey to become a BCBA. And even it just now, I also use some of the things that I've learned from our class and the books to like just help around with my coworkers, my new trainees, and also to like give feedback to the supervisor about how things going on with the training, how is the programs for the clients, like to communicate. Yeah, the big things for me with my supervisor that we communicate a lot. Anything that I don't understand, I will definitely ask them. I'm not gonna wait. And I told my trainees too, like if you're not sure about something about a program, don't run the program. Ask until you understand, then you run. Like if you feel anything you need help, say it. Don't be afraid, because if you don't say anything, nobody knows to help. So like the big thing is very very big thing is communication, and don't be afraid to ask. That's why I'm telling them. I told them like don't be afraid to ask. It's rather like to ask silly. I mean what is the term? The say is rather to ask stupid question than make a stupid mistakes. Yeah, I'm like that. Yeah, that's that's a big thing for me that I keep in my mind, that have to do the right thing, and we're learning every day, so making mistake is part of the learning process. So yes, but thank you so much for your lecture. I really really enjoyed the class. Thank you.